Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use Codeium for Scala development. Codeium's AI-powered features can enhance your Scala programming with smart code suggestions and completions. So let's get started. First, make sure you have the Codeium extension installed and activated in your code editor. If you have not installed it yet, check out my previous tutorial on how to install Codeium. Now open your code editor and start a new Scala project or open an existing one where you want to use Codeium. As you write Scala code, you will notice that Codeium provides real-time suggestions. These suggestions appear in a drop-down menu next to your cursor. Now to accept a suggestion, simply select Tab or Enter button. Codeium will insert the suggestion code snippet into your Scala file, helping you code faster and more efficiently. Codeium can assist with various aspects of Scala programming, such as writing classes, traits, and functions. It offers intelligent suggestions based on Scala best practices and common patterns. For example, if you start typing a class definition or a function, Codeium will suggest completions for parameters, return types, and method implementations, making it easier to write well-structured Scala code. Codeium also supports Scala-specific features like pattern matching and functional programming constructs. It can provide relevant code completions and recommendations for handling these features effectively. To customize Codeium's behavior for Scala, go to the extension settings by selecting this extensions button from your sidebar and selecting the settings icon and select on extension settings. Here you can adjust your preferences like the number of suggestions shown and language specific set. You can use Codeium's refactoring suggestions to improve your Scala code quality. It can recommend optimizations and better coding practices to enhance the performance and readability of your code. Regularly test and review your Scala code to ensure it functions as expected. Codeium suggestions can help you write better code, but always validate your code through testing. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to use Codeium for Scala development. This tool can boost your productivity and help you write clean and efficient Scala code. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.